Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so troubleshooting goes fast. Open system settings and grant screen and microphone access. This prevents silent failures. Once done, quit overlays and background recorders because they steal audio or hooks. Make sure you have about 5 GB free and some CPU headroom. Low storage or high load causes dropped frames. Now relaunch the recorder as administrator or with elevated permissions so it can claim the display and write files reliably. Next, you tune settings and drivers to stabilize capture. Switch to a hardware encoder like NVENC if CPU is bottlenecked, or use software when hardware drivers misbehave. Make sure your output resolution and frame rate match your display. Mismatches cause scaling and dropped frames. While you're here, update your GPU driver and the recorder app to the latest stable builds so compatibility issues are resolved. If you changed encoder or frame rate, run a short test recording to confirm smooth results before proceeding. To finish, you validate the fix with a short recording and inspect audio-video sync, frame pacing, and file integrity. If the file plays oddly, remuxing into a different container like MKV often resolves corruption without re-encoding. Make sure to re-enable any previously disabled features one at a time to identify the culprit. If problems persist, restart and test in a clean user profile or safe mode to rule out extensions. This isolates system conflicts, so you can target the specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.